All right, mic check, 1 2 1 2. We in this thing. All right. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank be Choppin. We back with another video. So check these things out right here. I got the Demon and the Phantom. My boy, the pissed off barber, sent these things to me. Honestly, it's been a couple weeks since he sent them to me, but I just been really busy with, editing other videos, putting out different content for y'all that I haven't had a chance to really put these to use and give y'all video form. However, I already unboxed them a couple weeks ago. I've been putting them to use, but I just wanted to give y'all a quick unboxing of what comes in the boxes of the clipper and this is the clipper of the clipper and the trimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and run y'all what comes in the box, and then y'all gonna see some clips of me using these tools. Let's get it. All right, so like I said earlier, I did already unbox these, but check it out. This is the box for the Demon, which is the trimmer. Once again, guys, here's the trimmer. I left the black casing on it, but y'all go ahead and check out this box. As y'all can see, it's a nice looking box, you know what I'm saying? Super powered long life magnetic motor, black diamond carbon T-wide blade. You can take off the this part, you can skeleton it. You know what I'm saying? 2.5 hours of continuous runtime. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff y'all can read on the back of the box. But let's go ahead and open this so y'all can see what comes inside the trimmer. So obviously, the trimmer was right here, but I took it out already. I charged it up, put it to use. Here is the charging dock. I see it's got TPOB on it, the pissed off barber. And then it comes with 2 separate lids. We got this pink one, then we also got this blue one right here, as y'all can see. Let's go ahead and take this part off. Once again, guys, I did have the charger right here, but I took it out to charge the clipper. But it does come with, these, I don't know what this would be called, the face plates, I don't know. But it's this part right here. It's this part right here. You can interchange those, and then it comes with a screwdriver, USB charging. Y'all know this thing I don't ever read. But yeah, man, that's what comes in the box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the clipper for y'all. Here is the clipper box, the Phantom, as y'all can see. Bigger box, obviously, it's a bigger tool, so it comes in a bigger box. Interchangeable click lever with 3 different color choices and 5 length settings. So it's got the clicks on it, 5 different notches. 10,000 strokes per minute, 2.5 hours of continuous runtime. XO combination black diamond carbon blade. Comes with 5 guards in it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all check that out. But let's go ahead and open this up. So obviously, once again, guys, I did take out the clipper. The clipper was right here, so just pretend, we'll just hold it there for y'all so y'all can see. But take out the clipper. It came with the little, the cover on it. And then it does come with the charging dock, as y'all can see. TPOB charging dock. Put that to the side. We got 2 lids in here also. Let me see if I can get these things out. Every time I'm doing a video, it takes me forever to get these damn lids out. All right, so here is the pink lid, and then we got a blue lid. And this is the blue lid. Let's put that to the side. And then underneath, we have the charging cable. Put that down. We got the guards right here. Different color levels. We got an extra cam follower, some oil, some more screws, screwdriver, and then, you know what we do with that. But yeah, man, y'all check that out. So once again, guys, here are the clipper and the trimmers. This is the Phantom, which is the clipper. And then we got the Demon, which is the trimmer. Like I said earlier, guys, I already put them to use. So let's go ahead and check out some of the clips of me using them. So y'all seen your boy put into use the Phantom and the Demon from the Pissed Off Barber. If y'all are interested in these tools, y'all can head over to his website, thepissed-off-barber.com. You can use my discount code TANK and it will save you on the shipping. However, the currency is in pounds, so once you convert it to US dollars, I believe the clippers are going for like 130 and the trimmers are like 105 bucks, give or take, you know what I'm saying? But y'all know what it is, man. Like I said, guys, I use these clippers. I enjoyed using them. They worked really, really well. As y'all seen me do, I debulked with them, faded with them, tapered with them, lined up with them, clipper over comb, did all that good stuff, man. And they working, man. They in the rotation, you know what I'm saying? So once again, shout out to that boy, the Pissed Off Barber. Y'all make sure to give him a follow on Instagram if you aren't already following him. And yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. So I appreciate y'all for watching, guys. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure and subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.